Welcome to Food Sutra Art of Spices Private Limited. With over 25 years of excellence in the catering and hospitality industry, Food Sutra stands as a trusted name in delivering quality, consistency, and culinary expertise. Serving more than 2 million meals every month, we combine tradition, innovation, and professionalism to create memorable dining experiences. Founded in the year 2000 by our managing director, Mr. C.H. Naga Malleswara Rao, Food Sutra Art of Spices Private Limited has built a strong legacy rooted in quality and commitment. Over the past 25 years, we have grown into a pioneering catering organization, serving diverse sectors including corporate, industrial, institutional, and healthcare clients across India. At Food Sutra, we deliver customized catering and hospitality solutions tailored to client needs. Our expertise spans industrial catering, institutional catering, healthcare catering, guest house management, integrated facility management services through Tidy Touch Facilities Private Limited, and complete event catering and management. Each service is delivered with precision, hygiene, and customer focus. Quality and safety are at the core of Food Sutra's operations. We adhere to globally recognized standards including ISO 22000 for food safety management, ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, FSSAI compliance, HACCP certified operations, and good manufacturing practices. These certifications reflect our uncompromising commitment to excellence and food safety. Our strength lies in our people. With over 2,000 trained professionals, Food Sutra operates at scale while maintaining consistency and quality. Continuous training and skill development ensure our teams follow industry best practices and deliver outstanding service at every location. Health and safety are integral to our hospitality operations. We ensure full compliance with legal and safety regulations, strict adherence to client safety policies, proactive risk prevention measures, and continuous improvement in safety performance. Regular training programs reinforce fire safety, food hygiene, and workplace security. Our vision is to become the most trusted and preferred catering and hospitality service provider. By exceeding client expectations, identifying future opportunities, and delivering value-driven solutions, we aim to enhance customer experience through innovation and operational excellence. Our mission is built on valuing our clients and their customers while maintaining an unwavering commitment to excellence. We strive to deliver world-class catering solutions, foster strategic partnerships, and ensure sustainable growth through ethical, quality-driven business practices. Food Sutra operates on a strong foundation of integrity and professionalism. Our core values include honesty and transparency, commitment and dedication, innovation and continuous improvement, responsibility and accountability, and a customer-centric approach that builds long-term relationships. Food Sutra is more than a catering service. We are partners in your success. With over 25 years of experience, large-scale meal operations, globally recognized certifications, industry-specific expertise, and a strong workforce, we consistently deliver reliable, high-quality hospitality solutions. Our wide range of services includes industrial catering, institutional catering, healthcare catering, facility management, guest house management, and event management. Each service is designed to meet the unique requirements of our clients. With over 2,000 trained employees, more than 50 clients served, 2 million meals delivered every month, operations across 9 states, and experience across 10 plus segments, Food Sutra continues to set benchmarks in hospitality excellence. Our diverse client portfolio reflects the trust and confidence placed in Food Sutra by leading corporates, institutions, industries, and organizations. Food Sutra has extensive experience in institutional catering, serving premier educational institutions across India. Our portfolio includes Mahindra University, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Madras, IIT Guwahati, IIT Indore, IIIT Kanchipuram, and several other major IIT campuses nationwide. We have also successfully catered to leading institutions such as Vaneet Nagpur, NIT Warangal, NIT Andhra Pradesh, NIT Jamshedpur, Jantua, Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, CMR Engineering College, Central University of Kerala, Central University of Karnataka, National Law University Nagpur, and Geethanjali University. Our proven ability to deliver safe, nutritious, and consistent meals at scale makes Food Sutra a trusted catering partner for educational institutions nationwide. Food Sutra Group is honored to receive the India 500 SME Award for Excellence in Hospitality Services. This prestigious recognition was presented to our Managing Director, acknowledging our commitment to quality and service excellence. Our certifications, including ISO 22000, ISO 45001, ISO 9001, and HACCP, reinforce our dedication to quality management, food safety, and operational excellence across all service locations. Our store management follows strict protocols such as FIFO implementation, expiry date monitoring, regular cleaning, and product segregation. These practices ensure hygiene, quality control, and efficient inventory management. Regular staff briefings and training programs ensure professional grooming, strategic menu planning, hygiene excellence, VIP guest handling, and strict health and safety compliance across all operations. To prevent cross-contamination and maintain hygiene, Food Sutra uses a standardized color coding system for cutting tools. This ensures separate and safe preparation of vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and vegan dishes. Sustainability is a key priority at Food Sutra. Our food waste management system focuses on waste segregation, regular audits, collaboration with certified recyclers, and minimizing food waste through efficient portion control. To support effective waste segregation, we follow a standardized dustbin color coding system. This enhances operational hygiene, streamlines waste disposal, and promotes an eco-friendly environment. These visuals reflect our disciplined workforce, structured training programs, and commitment to maintaining professional service standards across all locations. Food Sutra specializes in exclusive VIP catering, delivering personalized service, premium presentation, and exceptional dining experiences for high-profile guests and leadership events. Our corporate catering services combine efficiency, hygiene, and taste to meet the dynamic needs of modern workplaces, ensuring consistent quality and employee satisfaction. From corporate celebrations to formal gatherings, Food Sutra provides end-to-end catering solutions with meticulous planning, elegant presentation, and flawless execution. We deliver nutritious, balanced, and hygienic meals for educational and institutional clients, ensuring quality food service for students, faculty, and staff. Our event catering services transform special occasion into memorable experiences through creative menus, theme setups, and seamless service execution. Whether corporate conferences, social gatherings, or private celebrations, Food Sutra ensures every event reflects excellence, elegance, and attention to detail. Awards and recognitions reflect years of dedication, leadership, and consistent service quality, strengthening our position as a trusted hospitality partner. Food Sutra offers complete guest house management services, ensuring comfort, hygiene, dining excellence, and professional hospitality for corporate and institutional guests. Our event management services cover planning, coordination, catering, and execution, delivering seamless and impactful events that meet client objectives. Thank you for choosing Food Sutra Art of Spices Private Limited. For partnerships and inquiries, please connect with us at our Hyderabad office or visit www.foodsutra.in. We look forward to serving you with excellence.